Right now I'm going to completely assemble this Paulk Smart Bench from start to finish. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how this bench can be yours. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. This is my smart wood shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop, one of the smart benches, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Before I unbox this and start assembling, I'm going to move everything out to the carport because I like working outdoors. The Paulk Smart Benches are now manufactured in the very same factory that Ultralight is manufactured.
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this.
I'm using the TSO triangle, which is accurate down to 1/1000th of an inch, to double check the accuracy of the 20mm holes on the Paulk Smart Bench cut at 96mm centers. And it's just perfect. I'm getting a 0 play. I also check the diagonal because you get that 45 because it's 96mm one way, 96 the other. So you get, that perfect little 45. Randomly chose another spot just to confirm. And yes, I am very satisfied with the precision of the work I'm getting. The bench dog holes at 20mm we found to be a little snug. We had some complaining that the bench dogs were too tight. We upped it just 1/10 of a millimeter, and this is perfect. So now the bench dogs are dropping in with ease, and it doesn't mess up the accuracy or the squareness at all. It just makes it easier to move these bench dogs around quickly. This bench is for sale. I'm putting a link in the description of this video down below. That link is good for one purchase. So whoever gets there and completes the purchase first will get it. When you come to pick it up, we're not going to just throw it in your truck and say, head on out. We're going to hang out for about an hour. We'll take a tour of the Smart Wood Shop. We'll just sit around, talk shop. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop today.